Hello everyone, my name is Mike Fantauzzi from Camso. When keeping track of the various powerful, hard-working components of a forklift, it is easy to overlook some of the most subtle, yet crucial pieces, the tires. But think about it. The tires absorb every ounce of your forklift and its load, making it essential to ensure they're safe to use at all times. As the tire wears, it can no longer perform as well as when the tire was brand new. It may be easy to look at a tire and say, it seems like it'll work, but you may be taking a serious risk by ignoring the signs that tires should be retired from service. But you may ask, what are those risks? So why don't we go to the forklift and have a closer look? One would be fatigue and job stress. Operators who use a forklift with chunked, worn, or flat-spotted tires are putting unnecessary stress and strain on themselves. The kingpin is subjected to excessive stress caused by shocks and uneven surfaces. This can cause potential stability issues. If your forklift has air tires on them, there is a chance that there can be a blowout, which could possibly result in a lost load or a machine tip over. And speaking of load, a load can be compromised by the constant rocking and jarring of the machine while it's in operation. This can lead to potential damaged products and further safety issues. And speaking of those issues, one would be the floor. Depending on the state of your tires, you could be putting damage or strain on your floors, making them an unsafe environment to travel on for both machines and employees. Whether your forklift tires are simply worn out through regular use or application, it is important to pay attention to the signs of wear and switch out your tires on time to reduce downtime and ensure a safe, effective operation. To help know when to replace your tires, we've created a series of videos to address this important part of your overall maintenance. Please go watch it.